Welcome to this edition of Spotlight. We are at English Landing Elementary with Principal Dr. Kerry Roe. And Kerry, this year marks a very special time at English Landing. From decades of soaring eagles to a new logo to a really special get-together, English Landing is celebrating 25 years.
We sure are. Today is our 25th anniversary celebration. We are celebrating 25 years of soaring eagles. We are the home of the eagles. We soar each and every day at English Landing. SOAR stands for safety first. Own your actions, attitude matters, and respect everyone. And so it is not uncommon that you will see our students displaying SOAR traits throughout their day at English Landing.
Well, let's highlight English Landing Elementary and see how this special celebration is having an impact on students and staff here at the home of the Eagles.
English Landing opened in 1993. I learned that we were the 7th school to be made. It was the only school that in our district that had a library as the center.
I think it's exciting. It brings back a lot of memories.
We started by having all of our 5th grade students who are interested in participating in helping either plan or run the assembly.
They said that we are going to have a 25th anniversary assembly and all the 5th graders are going to help put it all together.
They applied using a Google form, and we went through and kind of looked at all of their reasoning and why they wanted to do it and picked different committees. So we had everything from people taking photos beforehand for the slideshow, creating posters, writing our script, writing our agenda, to day of where we had them watching for students behaving. They were our speakers, they were our greeters, they passed out agendas, so we got to let them be in charge from beginning to end, which was really cool.
One thing I learned was leadership is really important.
The leaders set a good example.
Just as leaders at the assembly, I think some of them saw themselves in a role that they hadn't maybe seen themselves in before and got to kind of showcase some strengths that they don't always get to showcase just in a classroom environment.
I got to stand up in front of the whole school and say stuff about celebrating 25 years.
This place has been here like way longer than I think they had any idea about, and that we hope that it's going to continue to be here. And they talked a lot about the assembly about how hopefully in the future you guys get to come back as parents or teachers or someone else and like still be a part of our history and our future.
It was just such a good group of people to work with, and I knew they cared about kids so much, and that was one of my strong suits, is that the kids come first. So
once an eagle, always an eagle, so we're all eagles here.
I was really proud of the fact that they took this and ran with it, that it was them for the most part. It was us organizing a little bit, but we had 5th graders writing and putting stuff together, so they really took ownership over this whole thing, and it was really, really cool.
When we celebrate 25 years, it's just everyone's soaring, and all the students here have soared through the 25 years. It's really cool.